today with Google at the World Federation of the Deaf's International Congress to demo two of our products. The first one is called Live Transcribe. As you can see, everything that I'm saying is being transcribed directly to this screen. This product is available in tons of different languages. Our rule of thumb is if a language is available for Google Translate, it's available here. So that includes Slovenian. However, I'm speaking English here. Now, this product, again, Live Transcribe, is available for all sorts of Android-based devices. So Pixel phones, Android phones, and Chromebooks. It's completely free. Live Transcribe is completely free. So it's great for if you're in a presentation and someone's speaking, you can just take out your phone. The phone microphone typically picks up from pretty good distance. We've had university students tell us that they take wireless microphones that they'll give to their professor at the beginning of class. And then as the professor is speaking, they can have a full transcription of what's being said right on their phone. Another great feature of Live Transcribe is it will save these transcriptions for 3 full days. Now, if you wanted to save that for longer than 3 days, you can copy that information to, say, a Notes app or a Google Doc and save it for much longer. So students get a lot of use out of this, anyone going to a conference, people going to the movies where maybe the captions aren't all that great. There's a bunch of different use cases. The second product that I wanted to show you is Google Slides Captions. So Google Slides is Google's presentation app. It's completely free if you have a Gmail account or another Google account. Let me pull that up for you. This is Google Slides Captions, a product that my team made. So as you can see, everything that I'm saying is being transcribed at the bottom of the screen. Unfortunately, this is only available in English right now. However, we are looking to expand. So it's really easy to use. There's a closed caption button right here, CC. So you just press that button and the captions will appear. So if you're at a presentation and the speaker is using Google Slides, as many do, you can just ask them before they begin to just press that button. They don't have to do any extra work, and those captions will automatically appear at the bottom. Right, so we're always looking to expand our offerings. One of the things we get asked about the most is sign language to written language transcription. That's a really difficult problem, but research is being done. So things are in the works. And again, there's all different teams at Google working on these sorts of problems. So hopefully at the next World Congress of the Deaf, in 4 years, we'll have more to show you.
Inštituta za slovenski znakovni jezik, ki bo predstavila, kjer lahko za potrebe lažjega spremljanja predavanj govornik govori in program pretvori govorjeno besedo v slovenski jezik.
So Google's mission is to make the world's information accessible and useful, universally accessible and useful, right? So if something isn't accessible, we're not even standing by our own values.
And so one of the things that we as a research team look at is the use of avatars for educational tools to help hearing people learn sign language. When you look at videos of humans, which are human signers, which is obviously absolutely necessary to learn sign language, you will end up often looking at the same video over and over. An avatar has the ability to change the way it signs, change the statement it's signing, or the discourse it's signing, okay? And give different stimuli to help people learn different aspects of sign language. Avatars also have the potential to hide the identity or to anonymize signed communication online. So if a signer is communicating with another signer or with hearing people or with anybody else online, an avatar that produced the same signing that the signer does can hide the identity of the signer in not quite the same way, but somewhat the same way that written text anonymizes the communication of somebody who's writing in a written language. But what avatars will never be able to do is to reproduce the cultural, historical, linguistic, and all of the other types of aspects of human communication that go into a natural language, okay? So for certain types of limited communication, or even longer statements, yes, an avatar might be able to produce it. But when you're talking about translating a class in a classroom, translating for a sensitive information for, say, a doctor's appointment, where the communication is highly critical. Uses. And I also want to iterate that we are a long way away from most of these potential applications or uses.
How does it work? In the Congress, for example, we get the voice from the microphone. It's linked into our platform, and then the interpreter can see the subtitles live. What the speaker is saying. And we have two possibilities, and in Germany the government is paying that, for example. For hard hearing, which cannot speak the sign language, they use text-to-speech. And